Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to be your narrator for today's combat search and rescue demonstration. On behalf of Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, the 355th Fighter Wing, the 563rd Rescue Group, and the 162nd Fighter Wing, I'd like to welcome you to the CSAR demonstration. Combat Search and Rescue, commonly known as CSAR. CSAR is Casualty Evacuation and other similar missions, are all specific personnel recovery or PR mission sets. These are all vital missions for Davis-Monthan Airmen. As we wait for the demonstration to begin, I'd like to give you a little background on the CSAR mission and the roles and responsibilities of the aircraft that you're going to see here. CSAR missions are executed in the air, any type of weather under hostile conditions. The goal of this CSAR operation is to bring our men to the home base anywhere at any time in order to embody the CSAR motto that others may be. Of aircraft, Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, and the Tucson Air Guard. The rescue tactical is comprised of 5 different weapon systems. The AC-130 is the only dedicated fixed-wing combat search and rescue platform in the Air Force inventory capable of airdrops, air-land, helicopter, air-to-air refueling missions. The HH-60K Hawk helicopter is the Air Force's primary personnel recovery platform. The Guardian Angel weapon systems is made up of combat rescue officers, rescue men, and series specialists that provide a ground force capable of deploying from both airplanes and helicopters to rescue and medically conditioned personnel in any environment of the world. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a compact, multi-role fighter aircraft. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, a single-seat tactical fighter and attack aircraft flown today by specially trained CSAR pilots. The combined strength of these weapons ensures the lethality and effectiveness of U.S.